Hey guys, welcome again in my channel. So guys, now I can find one place in Google Earth. So let's see. This is very amazing place on Google Earth. So let's see. This is a scenic place of California. So guys, let's see what is amazing on this location. Guys, this is a big lake. Uh, this scene is look in straight view. So let's see. Guys, here this is a scenic place. Guys, look at this natural phenomena. Guys, look at this is look like a column. So guys, please like my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. So I found many location on this channel. So guys, this is enough for today. See you guys.